In the realm of automotive elegance and innovation, the stage is set for a remarkable debut at the prestigious Goodwood Festival. The anticipation builds as MG, renowned for its blend of British heritage and cutting-edge design, prepares to unveil the latest evolution of its iconic HS model. The new MG HS arrives with a promise of sleek sophistication and dynamic prowess. Teasing enthusiasts with glimpses of its sharp styling, it exudes a contemporary allure that speaks to both tradition and modernity. Crafted with precision and attention to detail, every line and curve of the HS hints at its performance capabilities and aesthetic appeal. Ahead of its grand unveiling at Goodwood, the MG HS showcases a design language that captivates from every angle. Aerodynamic contours and a sculpted silhouette give it a streamlined presence, ensuring a commanding presence on both city streets and winding country roads alike. LED headlights with distinctive signature lighting add a touch of futuristic flair, illuminating the path ahead with clarity and style. Inside, the interior of the new MG HS continues to impress with its blend of comfort and advanced technology. Premium materials and thoughtful craftsmanship create a welcoming environment for driver and passengers alike. Soft touch surfaces and ergonomic seating enhance the driving experience, while state-of-the-art infotainment systems keep occupants connected and entertained throughout their journey. Under the hood, the new MG HS promises a driving experience that matches its striking exterior. Powered by a range of efficient and responsive engines, it delivers exhilarating performance while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency. Whether navigating bustling cityscapes or embarking on long-distance adventures, the HS ensures a dynamic and engaging ride for drivers who demand more from their vehicles. As it prepares to make its debut at Goodwood, the new MG HS represents more than just a car launch, it symbolizes a commitment to innovation and excellence. It embodies MG's heritage of craftsmanship and forward-thinking design, setting a new standard in the crossover segment. For enthusiasts and automotive aficionados attending the festival, it offers a glimpse into the future of driving pleasure and technological advancement. Amidst the backdrop of Goodwood's historic grounds, where speed and sophistication converge, the new MG HS stands ready to captivate audiences and redefine expectations. It is not merely a vehicle, but a statement, an expression of MG's unwavering dedication to pushing boundaries and exceeding expectations. As it takes its place among automotive icons at the festival, the new MG HS invites all to witness the dawn of a new era in crossover excellence.